Hi, today I'll be making a paper-mache jellyfish. The things that I need are some magazines here, some scissors, and some paintbrush and a marker, and some paint, and homemade DIY glue made of wire and water. Now I have this balloon. I put it in a glass so that it can stand, so that it's not hard for me to trace it there. Now let's start. Now I'm done, but now I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to come back when it's dry, okay? Now it is dry, but it has shrunk a little, see? It doesn't fit in the newspaper or the magazine. Now I'm going to pop it. Now that I'm done popping the balloon, I put something here for the holder. Now it's ready to paint. I'm going to paint this one blue because all jellyfishes are blue. There. Now I'm done painting, but I'm not done painting yet. I'm going to paint this one for the tentacles or the down part of the jellyfish. There. Now I'm done with the tentacles. To pick the eyes. Now time to draw an eyes. There. Now I'm done with the eyes. Now it's time to hang these. Now we're done with my jellyfish. Very cool. These are the eyes and these are the bottom part. It's like the tiny tentacles or the sting parts where we get sting. Now, thank you for watching. Bye guys.